Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm excited to share a quick trick video, how to add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook post. First, create a Facebook post on your page and paste the content. Optionally, add a picture to your post. To add WhatsApp button, click on Add to Post. Click on the three dots to access additional options. Choose Get WhatsApp Messages from the option available. Decide whether you want to boost the post or not. Click on Post to publish your Facebook post. Now, your post is created and shared on your Facebook page, along with a button to contact you via WhatsApp. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook post. It's a great way to make it easier for your audience to reach out to you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for future updates.